top of the morning, guys. Yeah. So it's a Sunday and it's another vlog. So let's go. Let's get it. Bro, I'm telling you. So I'm out here with Soobs. Hey, Soobs, how you doing? Yeah, we're out here just going for a young hike. They gave us a map, but it's too cold, so we just folded it and putting our hands in the pocket because yeah. So yeah, it's a 10k hike, 10.5. So let's see how it goes. Hopefully we'll see some, 3 hours. Hopefully we'll see some animals. We're supposed to see a zebra here. But yeah, woo. Let's go, let's get it. You rate them?
Insurances, bro.
So guys, we're gonna go to the zebras to ask for financial advice.
Apparently,
more.
apparently it's compounding interest at 13%.
Yeah.
In the
Bro, they're
Groenkloof
small.
Reserve. Where?
Bro, it's like a whole tribe.
Is it called a tribe?
I heard. It's like a whole. What? Oh my days. That is crazy. Guys, it's peak. This whole time we've only done 2. Oh my days. Wow. How do you feel? Hey, feel like 2Ks.
I feel like 4 hours.
Bro, I wouldn't even lie. I felt like we did 5. Hectic. I know.
This girl is good.
Yeah, we're not walking slow. So, guys, we just passed the 3k kilometer sign, and according to Susan, it's like 20 minutes. So we're basically going at 20 minutes per k, which is mad.
So it'll be longer than the 3 hours.
It'll be longer than 3 hours, but I feel like we're flying.
Yeah, we're walking fast, bro.
So, hey, bro, but yeah, we're enjoying the view. It's doing the things. Here's some lighting. Hey. Yeah. But yeah, let's continue with it. Guys, we've done the hike. It was good. I'd highly recommend it. How's it for you, Soobs?
It's a stroll in the park.
A stroll in the park. Easy things. So yeah, let's continue with the wholesome sunny Sunday. See how it goes. Yeah, man, guys, so that is the end of the video. Yeah, I really hope you enjoyed it. I know it's short. I know I didn't really show much, and the audio was cut off a bit when I was switching the cameras, but yeah, I really hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, guys. Before I end, I actually do want to just share this. So I've been talking to quite a few of my friends, and it seems like everyone has this, amazing idea or project, but they're a bit hesitant to start. I just want to encourage you. It's also encouragement to myself as well. Just a challenge, actually, to not let that fear of perfectionism or that idea of trying to have something spotless or perfect or whatever stop you from actually starting. Yeah, bro, sometimes the video do well, sometimes the video doesn't do well, sometimes you'll have an amazing edit session, sometimes it's a bit slow. It doesn't even have to be like content creating, you know, it could be like, I don't know, school, work, gym, whatever you guys do. You know, sometimes if you go to the gym and I don't know, like one day you can put your leg over your shoulder or something like that, and then next day you can't even touch your toes or whatever you do. But what I'm trying to say, okay, guys, it's late. Well, it's late for me, so I'm waffling. But what I'm trying to say is that, yeah, just go for it, you know? And it's the trial and error that's part of the journey that makes it really fun. It's just showing up each day, it's being consistent, you know? It's, yeah, just making that one improvement each and every single time. Okay, yeah, now I'm waffling. I'm really waffling. But this is the end of the video, guys. I'm really sorry. There's nothing more, nothing less. Yeah, I guess if I were to just leave like a closing remark, I don't even know. Shall I look here? Okay. You know, there's a reason why consistency is like really cool and important because I don't know if you think about it, it's like the key to through that door of the next opportunity, the next exciting project that you have, you know, and it's just you and this door in front of you. It's just this barrier, and you just showing up and just doing what you need to do. I don't know what it is, but I just want to say keep at it, don't stop, and yeah, enjoy the journey, I guess. But yeah, guys, that's basically it. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time, God bless and stay blessed.